I think Black History Month means so many things. I think there's so many mixed understandings about what this means because Black history is not about a month. It's about learning history and culture all the time, and also recognizing that this is a month where we are being intentional and focusing on Black history and its impact, not just for hardships and struggles, but also to identify resilience factors and strength of the Black community and all the history that it comes with. Because Black History Month is not just for Black people. It's a part of our history, our history, and that's all of our. And so I think understanding that this isn't a time just to celebrate one culture. This is a time to celebrate how a culture contributed to the bigger culture. Sometimes I feel like there's so much pressure in having hard conversations when really it's just we remove the Band-Aid and open the door to have the conversation. I think adolescence is such a time where kids are learning who they are, and that fluctuates because it's a normal part of development, and add culture and identity on top of that, and there are so many factors that we have to consider. And so I think a part of what we want to open dialogue for is identifying who you are and who you want to be based on you and not just based on everybody else, but then also pulling in those cultural components that are unique and make you strong. We stand on shoulders of lots of ancestors who have been strong and resilient in lots of ways, and being able to capitalize on how you use your history, not to stifle you, but how do you help that shape what you want to do moving forward? How do I structure my voice to be productive? Especially, again, dealing with kids struggling with mental health issues, how do you channel that frustration? How do you channel that energy into a way that can be productive? You can have a voice. It's all about being able to express and communicate what you're feeling and what your concerns are in a way that meets your goals.